And it goes a little something like
You all summer and after
You guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I will be showing you guys how to prepare for your trips when going out of town or taking a little getaway, mini vacation. Especially with me having a platform on Instagram and stuff, it's important for me to stay prepared and be organized with these things. So I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how to plan out these outfits in advance, so when you're there you're still having fun and not really stressing about what pictures to take or what outfits you may potentially need. Before we get into the video, I want to just talk about this hair a little bit. So this time I did not film a transformation video on my hair just because I was really in a rush today. I was really inspired by, I forgot who, but it's really giving me Ariana Grande tease right now just because she just came out with that new album. But this is her signature look anyway. And it didn't take me that long. Again, if you watch my last transformation video, the ponytail is always the hardest part for me. I was trying my best not to get glue on the actual hair and just, you know what I'm saying, be steady on the wefts. But I hope it lasts me the whole weekend while I'm down there. I actually don't feel like it's as secure and spritzed down as my last hairstyle for some reason. So with us being outside most of the time, I just hope it doesn't sweat out a lot. Only curled the front two pieces thus far. The back, I just kept the natural body wave in, and I actually love the feel of this hair. It feels like great quality. Got it from a local vendor here in my city. My friend put me onto it, and I highly recommend it. I'll probably have it down in the description box for you if you're, most likely a lot of my viewers are in my city, so I'll have that down in the description box for you, okay? But enough about my hair. Okay, so this is the hair I will be wearing on my trip that I will be going to on Thursday. So to me, I wanted to do it a couple days in advance just to make sure I could even execute this hairstyle and I don't look crazy before going. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. First things first, before you plan any trip, plan out your itinerary of what you and your homegirl or your homeboy plan on doing when you get there. So my friend Kennedy was kind enough to list out everything and put it on a cute little template for us of everywhere we're gonna go. Like literally we plan out everything we were gonna do from the time we wake up, basically in time to the time we went to sleep that day. It's on that, you can basically plan out your outfits. So for me, myself, I plan to have at least 3 outfits each day while I'm there. I know maybe a little excessive from some people, but just depending on your demand for your post and things like that, or whether you just want to be fly while you're there, just depends on how you can manage your schedule. So we kind of plan out times and when we should come back to the hotel, but this itinerary just lets us know where we will be, and so that lets us know what type of outfit we should wear. Brings me to my second point, number 2. If you are going to be in a city that's walking around a lot, say for instance California or New York, you want to really take your shoes into consideration the most, especially if you are a female, because I love heels. I'm not a sneaker wearer, so I had to then buy sneakers for this particular trip, especially since we are going hiking, as you can see on the itinerary. So I had to invest in sneakers for this trip, and I will be wearing them for most of the trip. But I actually purchased the Converse hike runners, and I love those shoes so stinking much. So figuring out what shoes will be most comfortable for your feet so you won't be uncomfortable your whole trip, because who wants to go on a great trip spending all of that money and your feet are uncomfortable the whole time? So definitely pay attention to the shoes that you have in your closet and see if you may potentially have to purchase shoes. Tip number 3, I would first start looking at outfits and pieces in your closet so you won't be tempted to purchase stuff in the beginning. That's a big lesson I had to learn, especially for planning for this trip. I began to start adding a whole bunch of different items in my cart when I literally have so many pieces in my closets that I have not worn yet. So I took it upon myself to literally put down my phone, stop online shopping, and literally go in my closet and start making pieces based off the itinerary that we already had. And from there, I came up with literally 3 pieces. And I'm going to show you guys that later when we're done going over the tips. So that's why I have my luggage right here. What you already have in your closet and what are those potential outfits that can go based off the itinerary so you can save as much money as possible. It brings me to my next point. Now that you made use of the things that are in your closet, you can then online shop and just get things that you will possibly want, or some looks and ideas that you were inspired by looking at, you know, inspirational photos and things like that. I did plan around my outfits around the itinerary. So looking back to step one and looking at that itinerary will help guide you for finding pieces throughout your closet and finding pieces throughout online shopping or shopping in person or whatever. I'm gonna start by showing you guys some of the outfits that I picked out and the ones that I did end up purchasing and the ones that did come out of my closet, to show you guys you can be resourceful and plan these things out accordingly based off the itinerary that you made based off your trip. And the itinerary is going to be long, you guys, so be patient. You are probably going to have to do research with the city that you're going to because you have never been there. If you have friends or family out of there, that'll be a good time to reach out to them to ask about potential areas that may be good for tourists and things like that. When it came to my itinerary, we decided to be more tourist-like on the first day that we get there. So on Thursday, when we actually land, that is our tourist day. So I'm gonna have on my, you know, travel outfit that I went to the airport. But as soon as we land, we're gonna go to the hotel room, probably rest for like an hour, freshen up, and basically get the day started. You know, you wanna get your money's worth and start the day. And I'm not trying these outfits on just because I'm really exhausted from doing my hair today. So, and plus I'm gonna be posting pictures of you guys. So follow me on my Instagram down below at @theautumnolivia so you can actually see these pieces on me. So this first one is a snakeskin top from Pretty Little Things with a cutout. I actually have this in my closet already. So this is the first outfit when we get to our destination. And then I'm going to be pairing these with a pair of leather pants. So I kind of want, since we're going to be in the tourist area the first day, like the Hollywood Walk of Fame, I kind of just want it to be funky, playful, and things like that because we are going to be in California, and you know, I just wanted to fit the vibe of what I feel like I would dress like if I lived there, you know what I'm saying? And as far as for shoes, I already had these bad boys in my closet. I got these from Plato's Closet. So as you can see, it's barely a heel on them. I can be totally as comfortable as possible while walking. And yeah, these are perfect for walking around the Walk of Fame and around California. So that night, we will be basically having nightlife. I think we're gonna meet up with my friend who actually lives in California and just hanging out, nightlife stuff. I don't think I'm gonna go to a club though, no. So I just got a basic black romper or whatever, and I'm gonna pair it with a body chain. I actually just bought this from Fashion Nova. So anything I did not buy, I bought it from Fashion Nova, okay? So I got this, and I'm gonna be pairing it with, it's crazy, it's nothing but black shoes that I'm taking on there. What shoes did I say I was gonna pair with? It's kind of hard when you don't have it on. Okay, black heels, you know how black heels go. But I said if we're out too long and my feet hurt, I was gonna pack some black slides. And the bag that I'm bringing is very versatile. I'm only bringing one purse this trip. I'll show you that at the end. So these will be able to fit in my purse and, you know, be there when my feet start hurting while we're out that night. As for day 2, we would then be going to Santa Monica Beach or some beach that morning. And I paired it with this bathing suit top that I got from Pretty Little Things. It's so cute that you can literally wear it as a top. Even better, I got these bell-bottom pants from Forever 21. Let me zip it up. My fly is up. And like they're extreme bell-bottom, you guys, like extreme bell-bottom. So just imagine the aesthetics on the beach with skates on, skating down the pier with bell-bottoms, a cute tie-dye top, like life, giving me life. So that's why I say plan out your itinerary so you can get the vibe of what your vibe is going to be in your outfit that day. So I'm really excited for this one, actually. Really excited for this one. I think we're only going to be on the skates for like an hour. The skates were only like $10 to rent in Santa Monica. But I think skates really make my shin hurt, and so I can't even be on it that long anyway. But I just hope I can get enough content on the skates, you know what I'm saying, in a good enough time while we're on them, you know, because I think I want to do a rail release, take some just regular photos at the beach and things like that. Following the beach, we're gonna come back and freshen up, and we basically call the midday of this Nipsey Day, because we plan on going to visit Nipsey Hussle's store, the Marathon Clothing, and basically go to the hoods of California. I kind of hate to say that, but going to Compton, Inglewood, you know what I'm saying, getting the feel of it. So this outfit was inspired by that, not Instagram, but the influencer on Fashion Nova. She had on this, is it inside out? Yeah. Had on this exact same, you know, dress with the hoodie. I'm gonna place it right there for you because I know this is not doing its justice. A lot of these probably not doing its justice, but I'm gonna have the picture next to it. And she paired it with her Dior shoes, this cute purse, red lip, amazing. So that's why I decided to get the Nike Hike Runners, but they're not here, you guys. I overnighted them last week, Friday, and they said they should be here by Wednesday, tomorrow. So I hope they're gonna be here, because if they're not here, I basically don't have an outfit for this day. Yeah, I procrastinated very badly on getting those shoes just because it was $100. And it was just like, I mean, $100 just for one outfit. And that's why I was like, well, girl, you need to wear them to the airport. You need to wear them to hiking. Yeah, so, but I like them. I think I'm gonna like them. And that outfit is going to be warm. Like, I really like how that dress is. The only reason I'm worried about that dress is walking around all day, pulling down a dress. But it's cute, it's casual vibes, but yet I'm here in your city showing out. You know? Okay, so that was day 2, midday. Now we're going to day 2 that night. And I honestly forgot what it was. Oh, okay, so this next outfit, I was really inspired by Rihanna. I don't know, when I think of Cali, I think of Rihanna just smoking with a red lip on, black shades, with a corset. And lo and behold, I found a corset on Fashion Nova for sale and ended up buying the top that the model had on too with the corset. So this is a top, it has shoulder pads in it, and I like that because it exaggerates the shirt more. The corset with it, nice corset in the front with a detailed zipper in the back. But y'all, here's the gag. I have these shorts. I already had these shorts. I had these shorts for years, probably since I was in like high school. It literally matches the corset. Do you feel what I'm saying? It literally matches the corset. So this outfit is bomb. I have the picture of the model on Fashion Nova with this exact outfit on. And I have these shoes in my closet. They go perfect. And I could wear these shoes all night. I doubt my feet will hurt. It's literally, I don't know what inch that is, but it's a block heel. So, and these shoes go perfectly with it. Like, yeah. So that's gonna be day 2 night outfit. Just a whole vibe. I'm chilling, not doing too much, but I'm still here in your city, very much showing out, you know the vibes. Today we're going hiking. I'm not gonna waste my time showing you guys workout clothes, but I will be wearing those Nike, why do I call them Nike? The Converse hike runners with my hike outfit. We're gonna be walking to the Hollywood sign that morning, day 3 morning. So yeah, not gonna waste the outfit. But day 3 is inspired by Beverly Hills. So day 3, we're gonna be spending most of the day in Beverly Hills, being very bougie. Kim K, Chloe, we're here, okay? So I picked up this bomb behind sporty zebra dress. And we're gonna be like in Beverly Hills all day basically, but we're going wine tasting, you guys. So we're going to a winery, and I just thought this was so beautiful, and it's true to length. So you see the model, it goes all the way down. It literally goes all the way down on me. And I have these boots that I got from Fashion Nova years ago, literally years ago. And it's just gonna go so perfect with the, like, with this ponytail too. Yo, a wine glass for my hand in Beverly Hills. Perfect, like perfect. Like this is amazing. Like I love this. I'm so excited for it. It really reminds me of my grandmother a lot. My grandmother loved print. She used to love black and white, and especially zebra print. So, and it also zips down right here. So if you want to show a little cleavage, go for it, have fun. And I definitely think this will be that piece that, yeah, like it's a build up with these outfits, as you can see. So for the last event on day 3, for the Beverly Hills Inspired Day, we're going for a more, Drake is taking me out to Cheesecake Factory, but he's actually taking me to, dang, I can't even remember the place where I'm trying to show out, like me and Drake said, no, Woby or something like that. What's the place we're going to? You see it on the itinerary. I actually already have a picture in this outfit, so I'm gonna put it right there for y'all. I just never released that photo before, so y'all can see it, because this dress, I don't know if you can really see how good it looks right here, but it's just so beautiful. At first it was giving me Easter vibes, but it's not. It's very lovely. It sits nice, and I think that's what takes away the Easter feel of it, you know? So it's really nice on me. It makes me feel luxury, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm somebody. With these, the shoes that I was gonna wear with these, I was gonna wear my clear heels. I forgot to put them in there. But these clear heels that I had, the same clear heels that are in that photo, so gonna wear that with those. I don't even expect us to be in the streets that night. I expect us to be more at a lounge that night, so I don't expect a lot of walking around. This is my last tip, is to always, you guys, always pack 2 backup outfits. That's just me. I just plan on bringing 2 spare outfits, not to go with any day in particular, but to just be prepared. If I waste something on my clothes, if I don't like how something looks on me that day, that I just have backup outfits. Always have backup outfits to always be prepared. Let's talk about the bag that I'm bringing there, because this is the only any of my purses on this trip. I decided to buy this one. It's actually a purse and a backpack. So when I go to the airport, of course, I'm going to wear it as a backpack, and then when I'm out and stuff, you know, wear it as a purse. But only time I probably won't wear this is when we are in Beverly Hills. Yeah, sounds about right. And plus nowadays, I don't even need a wallet because all of my credit cards and stuff are on my phone. So now that I think about it, no, I needed this. I needed this because I have to put my charger in here, my everything, really, when I'm on the plane. So this came in handy, and like I said, I could store my shoes in here when I want to put sandals in my bag just in case my feet may hurt. Because I really don't wear heels like that. Like, my feet are no longer trained for heels no more, and it's just so weird. Because people used to like, why do you wear heels all the time? My feet were just trained for heels because I just wore them all the time, but they literally aren't anymore. All right, you guys, that concludes this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make a comment down below. Tell me when your next vacation is going to be, if you're even traveling this year because of Corona. I don't want to stop it too much for me, but always make sure you get tested and stay healthy. Make sure you take wellness shots often. By the time I see y'all the next time, it will be in California, me getting on a plane and all of that. So wish me safe travels, and I will see y'all next time.